It's Dylan right there. What are you doing, boy? Playing. What are you playing? You riding on something? Oh, you got a nice bike right there. Wow. Wow, why is it not moving? Okay, let's see. Let's check out what kind of bike is this. Wow. Oh. Oh, it's a tubeless. There's no tube. A tubeless. And let's go in the back. Where's the other wheel? Ah, a tubeless and a tireless bike. Mm. Mm-hmm. So that's why you're having fun, huh? Because you have a tubeless and a tireless bike. Okay.